Oh, Ronaldo is calling. Okay, I'll pick up the phone.
This Pikachu card is so nice. Hey, Jesus, look what's happening over there. Oh, God, the car is about to run over that child. I have to do something. I'll move this child away from the car. He won't get hurt. Jesus, I saved that child.
Mom saved me.
Hey, Max, son. What happened? Hey, you dirty, useless dog. You're biting my child. Get out of here, or I'll finish you. Son, are you okay? Did the dog bite you or not?
Look, my friends, I saved this child's life and yet they are beating me. And please like my video. I'm very sad.